So today we're going to do keyword research for a brand new website called plumbersinphilly.com, and we are creating a brand new website for them. So before we even start, we like to see who our competitors are, what they're doing, and do keyword research before we even start. So let's type in Philadelphia plumbers on Google to see who our competitors are. So right away we have Roto-Rooters and Guaranteed Plumbing and Heating. So they are doing ads. They are running ads. Horizon Services, Roto-Rooters, and Hutchison Plumbing. They're doing Google local service ads. And in the organic map packs, we have Goodman Plumbing, Philadelphia Plumbers, and Philadelphia Plumbing Services LLC. And our organic pack, this is where we are going to target the number one organic position. We also have Goodman Plumbers, Yelp, Bill Fusco, and Guaranteed Plumbing and Heating. So these three websites will be the websites we'll be focusing on, and these three websites will be our competitors, which we are going to try to beat in this particular campaign. So let's take a look at the services they're offering and what type of keywords they're trying to target. Another place where I like to do the keyword research is actually go down to the search related to Philadelphia plumbers, and it will give you related searches which may be helpful. Sometimes it will give you keywords which you can use, sometimes it won't. So plumbers in West Philadelphia, plumbers near me, this is a keyword which we can target. Best plumbers in Philadelphia, plumbers in my area, and plumbers in Philadelphia, PA. We don't know the keyword volume right now, but we will go ahead and take a look at that. But before that, let's take a look at the services which our competitors are offering. So they have plumbing and emergency plumbing, insurance work, ceramic tile, um, sewer drain cleaning, leaks, bathroom, kitchen, basement, outdoor, well services, water heater, water restoration, heating and air. And let's take a look at the other competitor, Bill Frusco. They have plumbing, heating, AC, remodeling and excavation service, guaranteed plumbing and heating. They have plumbing, emergency plumbing, drain cleaning, sewer cleaning, bathroom remodeling, heating repair. So this company is mostly focusing on plumbing and heating. And another way which I like to do competitive research is actually take these domains, put it on Google, and look at take these domain, put it on Ahrefs, and look at their top pages, because the top pages will have a keyword which they are trying to rank for. So their top page, their home page, they're ranking number one for Philadelphia Plumbers Bucks County. It doesn't have that much, it does have traffic. Their traffic value is 1,103. So this is a good keyword which we can target. So Goodman Plumbing, okay, their brand has a value of over $1,000, which is good for them, and it also has a volume of over 600. So Emergency Plumbers Philadelphia, Goodman Plumbing and Heating, that's their brand keyword. Drain Cleaning Philadelphia, that's a good keyword. Traffic value of 306, so that's a keyword which we can focus on. And it looks like that's about it for this company. Let's take a look at the second one. Let's take a look at the top pages for this. and you will also see the position. So Philadelphia plumbers built water heater. So this is the sitemap that we're going to create for plumbers in Philly, and we have home, about us, services. For service number one, we're going to look at our competition and type in plumbing. So service number one will be plumbing. Plumbing. Next, we will have water heater. Then we will have heating and air. And I also look at other competitors in the area as well before completing the entire sitemap. So let's search Philadelphia plumbers again and look at the top three competitors. So we have Bill Frusco and Guaranteed Plumbing and Heating. They're doing plumbing, heating, AC services, and other services, remodeling, excavation. Our plumbers, they don't do that. They mostly focus on plumbing. So plumbing, and heating. I think plumbing and heating should be good. So let's go back and focus on the services. So we have plumbing and heating here, and another thing that I like to do is type in website.com and just go and create this sitemap URL structure. And then what you can do is actually hit Command F, find website.com, and you can find and replace it with plumbersinphilly.com, replace all, and there you go. Your URL structure is complete. So looking at competitors' website and their keywords and their navigational bar is actually one of the best ways to go about doing keyword research to see what your competitors are trying to rank for and what type of visibility they're getting for their website and their keywords. Another way you can go about this is actually doing the keyword research itself and trying to find out what is it that people are searching for, their search volume, and their keyword difficulty. So here I have a list of keywords which I'm trying to target, and I have compiled them from search volume 20 to all the way up to 9,200, which is water heater replacement. Now this has a keyword difficulty of 35. This will be a lot harder to rank compared to something like drain cleaning service in Philadelphia. So even though this has a lower search volume, it also has a lower keyword difficulty. So we'll be focusing on these low keyword difficulties first, build the authority in Google, and then once Google trusts us enough, then we will go for these big keywords such as plumbing companies near me, emergency plumbers, water heater replacements, etc. So whenever we're starting a SEO campaign, do the keyword research first, find out which keywords you're going to use for the particular campaign, and list them out with search volume from 0 to whatever the search volume is the highest, and also list out the keyword difficulty for each search volume and filter them out so that you can figure out which keywords you're going to target first and then slowly build up to the keywords which have the highest difficulty, because the keywords which have the highest difficulty are the ones with the highest search volume. As you can see here, but they're also the most difficult to rank. So this is how you do the initial research for your campaign before you even go in and start digging down into keyword research, finding out the search volume and targeting these keywords. Now I'll create a separate video focusing just on doing keyword research, finding out the keywords, their search volume, finding out keyword difficulty, and how we go about targeting keywords after we do the search volume. I'll be continuing this video series explaining how I go about creating this website, doing the keyword research, optimizing this website to rank #1 for Philadelphia plumbers. To watch the step-by-step tutorial and future videos, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be posting great videos like this to educate you and inform you about SEO. I'll catch you guys later.